Lift the handrail riser. Fix it with 6 M8*20L hexagon socket head cap bolts, 2 M8 arc washers and 4 M8 flat pads. Tighten the screws with the Allen key. Note: please use the arc washers on the front of the riser and flat pads on both sides. Note: please remove the protective tube and throw it away. Connect the front stabilizer to the main frame with M8 arc washer and M8 hi-hat. Tighten the screws with the socket wrench. Install the rear stabilizer in the same way. Note: tighten the cap nuts after the front and rear stabilizer are installed. First, install the pedal retaining plate to the right pedal tube. Then attach the right pedal to the right pedal tube with 3 M8*50L socket head cap bolts and 3 M8 flat pads, then tighten the screws with the Allen key. Install the left pedal in the same way. Insert the right upper handrail to the right lower handrail and fix it with 2 M8*35L carriage bolts and 2 M8 caps, then tighten the screws with the socket wrench. Install the left upper handrail in the same way. Note: please pay attention to make the small handrail and the right or left upper handrail one after the other, to make it easier to assemble. Remove the pre-locked M8*20L hexagon socket head cup bolts from the handrail riser. Install the iPad holder connector tube to the handrail riser with the 2 M8*20L hexagon socket head cup bolts and 2 M8 arc washers. Tighten the screws with the Allen key. First, remove the pre-installed Form 5*12L Phillips head bolt screws on the back of the monitor. Second, connect the induction wire connector on the monitor to the induction line upper segment. Connect the heart rate wires to the heart rate connectors on the monitor. Finally, fix the monitor to the handrail riser with Form 5*12L Phillips head bolts, then tighten the screws with the socket wrench. Buckle together the left and right riser trim cover on the frame. Remove the pre-locked M4*20L self-tapping screws, fixing the lower handrail trim cover on right lower handrail with 2 M4*20L self-tapping screws, then tighten the screws with the socket wrench. Install the left side in the same way. Please remove the 2 M4*20L self-tapping screws on the pedal tube and 1 M4*20L round head cross self-tapping screw on the trim cover, then fixing the pedal trim cover on right lower handrail with 2 self-tapping screws and tighten with the 1 round head cross self-tapping screw. Tighten all the screws with the socket wrench. Please install the left side in the same way.